Righty guys, welcome man. Welcome back to the channel guys. I'm in the Milwaukee section guys. I'm sorry guys, after using my buddy's, I borrowed my buddy's half-inch electric impact drill the other day to do that ball joint. I'm telling y'all guys, that thing ripped those bolts out like it was nothing. Okay, so I'm convinced I have to get me one. Now, there's a tie between, I normally would go to Lowe's. Is this it right here? Oh no, wait a minute, not 600. That's $600 because it has this. I don't need that. That's too much. Wait a minute. Okay, now normally I go to Lowe's because I have a when they getting fancy on the ratchet drill. Normally I would go to Lowe's because they have the I have a credit card with Lowe's. I mean Home Depot. I'm sorry. But Home Depot is out. They don't have one. I already got a. Why am I looking at that? See, the one I used the other day, he got the little case on his and everything. He got it looking real good, and it's powerful, guys. And I heard you get a nice warranty on it. So I'm here to find out. I think this is it, but nuh-uh. I thought that thing was $300 and something. Wait a minute. And this box is empty. I don't need this. I don't even know what that is. No. We're not about to spend. So who work here? Let me see if somebody can get me. I'm a Lowe's man. I mean, I'm a Milwaukee guy. Everybody got their choice on the electric, the impacts and things like that. I got one of these, but I can't find it. I don't know what I did with it. I'm gonna have to find it. I think it's in my PT. I got one of these. Yeah, I am a freaking Milwaukee. I was the DeWalt, the yellow ones, but my tools got stolen, so I am no longer a DeWalt guy. I think this is it right here. But I need, yeah, I think this is without the battery. Look at that, guys. Remember I questioned this, watch this video right here when I went to Harbor Freight and I was questioning whether these numbers are accurate as far as torque specs and things like that. I don't know. I think it should be illegal for you to just type in the wrong number to mislead the public so your product will sell. Even though it's illegal, that may not stop people from doing it. I mean, if I know just by merely typing something in a section will get the sale across the finish line, yes, that is awful tempting to go ahead and do, right? Yeah, we are human, guys. But now, and somebody, when I talked about that, somebody pointed out that there's a video online that actually showed proof of torque specs. And I went and watched that video, and I was impressed. So it's like one of those unbiased. See, here's another DeWalt. See, 700, that number there ain't impressive. Now look, this look big and strong, right? Oh, 1,200 foot-pound max breakaway torque. Yes, 15 is more than 12. So, but it's $100 more. I don't know. And a lot got to do with the battery size, guys. Anybody work here? I need to see, man. I really want this freaking, I just want the drill and the battery and the charger. Okay, let me go find somebody, guys. Yes, I think I'm just going it knocked up. Oh, this is 3/4. Okay, you know, I need this. So this is technically different from this. Yeah, this one I need. Why is this one more and this one bigger? Oh well, fuel baby. So this come. Okay, no wonder this is 15. See, you might be looking at the wrong number, guys. Pay attention to what you're reading, of course. But yeah, see, even this one's a 1/2 inch. The head puts off the strength, so be careful how you get a small head thinking you're gonna be. Yeah, this is what I need. Let me go find somebody, because I need the kit. I need to know what the kit costs. I don't need no little drills. A 1/2 inch mid torque wrench. Hey, what we got here now? 329. What is this all about? Is this the half mid torque? Mid torque. They must be talking about this. No, that's not what I want. Let me stop guessing. Let me find somebody, guys. Hold tight. Hey, is this this package right here? Does that include this gun?
No. It does not. No, there's not. There's not a package with that one. No.
So it's just a regular gun for $449.
Yes. The whole set. Yeah.
What is set?
I mean, that's the set.
I get 2 batteries and a charger. You
Two
say?
batteries and a charger for the 440. Yeah, the 449, and then the 249 is just the gun itself without any batteries, anything.
All right, let me
In
have.
case you have something.
No, I don't have any.
Oh, okay. Well, then that's it. Yeah.
Damn, you got no special on this?
I have nothing on that.
Is this the same gun? But it just come with
Yeah, but it comes with the. Yeah.
So that
comes
take
with
it
the
up.
Sockets and the.
Oh, it come with sockets.
Yeah, a little set of sockets there and a light.
Not really worth
plastic cone for the nose.
Not really worth $200.
I don't know.
Let me get this one.
Okay, let me go grab one out of the back. I'll be right back.
All right, guys. I got a jump box I need to do reviews on. Man, I'm in here just talking. Let me get out of here, guys. Live stream tonight, man. 8 o'clock. Y'all ain't doing nothing. Tune in, man. All right. Right now, I'm finna get out of here. I left my my package right here. All right, guys. Let me go to the register. I'll chit chat with y'all until I get to the register. But remember, tonight, 8 o'clock sharp Eastern Standard Time. We just gonna chop it up, man. Nothing. We go with the flow. Whatever the topic leads to, it's what we discuss. I can't seem to come up with a structured plan for the live stream, so I just let it go where it may. You see what I'm saying? All right, I don't want to be on this phone yippy yapping while I'm in the lines. Maybe disrespectful, but ooh, look what I got here. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, guys. Later. Hold tight. Yeah. Yeah, baby. And on top of that, guys, he gave me a 20% discount. So I am one happy camper. Look at that. Fuel, baby. Yeah. I might come back and get that damn cover, because that cover look good on my buddy gun. All right, guys, let me hop up in this Jeep Cherokee and get up out of here. Remember, tonight, 8 o'clock, live stream. Let's get it.